You wake up feeling a little weaker. Getting out of a chair takes more effort. Carrying groceries or climbing stairs feels heavier than it used to. You might shrug it off and say, "I'm just getting older." But what if we told you there's a hidden reason so many people over 60 lose muscle faster than they should? And what if it could be slowed down, or even reversed, naturally, right from home? In this video, we'll uncover the real reason seniors lose muscle mass after 60, what that means for your body and independence, and the simple, proven ways to fight back. Let's dive in. Section 1. Why muscle loss after 60 isn't just normal aging. Muscle loss after 60 has a name: sarcopenia. It starts slowly, about 1% of muscle mass lost every year after age 50. But here's the catch. The process speeds up if you don't actively work to slow it down. Sarcopenia isn't just about losing strength. It affects balance and fall risk, metabolism and weight gain, energy levels, blood sugar control, joint health and mobility. Many seniors attribute these symptoms to aging, but in truth, muscle loss is often driven by inactivity, poor diet, inflammation, and hormonal shifts. Section 2. The hidden culprit: inactivity and chair living. The biggest silent cause: sitting too much and not using your muscles regularly. After retirement, many seniors naturally slow down. We sit during breakfast, sit while reading or watching TV, sit in the car, and then sit some more. But your muscles work on a use it or lose it principle. When you sit all day, your legs stop supporting your body weight. Your glutes weaken and shrink. Your core becomes less engaged. Your body burns fewer calories and stores more fat. Even 2 to 3 days of bed rest or low movement can trigger muscle breakdown. The good news? It doesn't take hours of exercise to rebuild muscle. Section 3. The role of protein and why many seniors don't get enough. You need more protein after 60, not less. Here's why. Your body becomes less efficient at turning protein into muscle. Many seniors eat light meals, skip meat, or rely on carbs. Illness or medications may reduce appetite. Aim for 20 to 30 grams of protein per meal from sources like eggs, Greek yogurt, chicken or turkey, lentils and beans, protein shakes or powders, if needed. Also important: vitamin D and B12, which help muscles function properly. Talk to your doctor about blood tests and safe supplements. Section 4. Hormones and muscle loss, what you should know. As we age, hormones like testosterone, estrogen, and growth hormone decline. This can contribute to fatigue, decreased muscle mass, slower recovery. While hormone replacement isn't for everyone, strength training and good sleep naturally boost growth hormone and testosterone levels. Also, reduce stress. High cortisol breaks down muscle. Prioritize 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Section 5. 5 easy ways to start rebuilding muscle at home. You don't need a gym or equipment to strengthen muscles. Here are 5 simple senior-friendly steps. 1. Sit to stand, chair squats. Sit in a sturdy chair. Stand up slowly without using your hands. Repeat 5 to 10 times, once or twice a day. 2. Wall push-ups. Stand a few feet from a wall. Place hands on the wall. Lower yourself in and out. Great for arms, chest, and core. 3. Seated leg raises. Sit tall, lift one leg straight out, hold 5 seconds, repeat 10 times each leg. 4. Marching in place. Gently lift one knee at a time while standing. Hold a chair for balance if needed. Do for 30 to 60 seconds. 5. Light resistance bands or water bottles. Use for bicep curls, shoulder lifts, etc. Start light, increase reps over time. Do these exercises 3 to 5 times a week. Section 6. Real-life story: how George got his strength back. George, 72, from Florida, noticed he had trouble getting up from his couch. He felt embarrassed, slow, and tired. But he started small: chair squats and leg lifts every morning. He added a daily protein shake and began walking around the block. 3 months later, he was gardening again, walking without his cane, and had regained confidence and stability. It doesn't take a big change, just consistency. Section 7. Bonus tips to prevent further muscle loss. Stretch daily to keep joints mobile. Stay hydrated. Dehydration worsens fatigue. Stand up every 30 to 45 minutes if sitting. Track your progress. Journal, calendar, or photos. Celebrate small wins. Muscle keeps your body young, strong, and independent. Conclusion. You can rebuild what you've lost. Losing muscle after 60 is common, but not inevitable. With simple movements, better nutrition, and daily consistency, you can regain strength, stability, and confidence. Your body is capable of change at any age. So take that first step today. Your muscles and your future self will thank you. Outro. Thanks for joining us today. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. And in the comments, let us know. Which of these tips will you try first? Stay strong, stay active, and take good care of yourself. See you next time.